Welcome to my kitchen, where today we are making a coconut cream pie. And I'm going to start off by toasting just a little bit of coconut for the garnish, the top of the pie when it's all done. Once I get that done, I will set it aside and get on with making the filling. Starting off with sugar, a little bit of salt, and some cornstarch. Going to stir that together, and then I'm adding milk. Now, I have this milk sitting out at room temperature because I need to stand here and stir this the entire time it cooks so it doesn't scorch on the bottom. Starting with my milk at room temperature will make it go much more quickly. I'm stirring this until it boils. I'm going to let it boil for a minute and then remove it from the heat and slowly add it to eggs that I am whisking. I'm whisking it in slowly so it doesn't turn to scrambled eggs. And then I'll put it all back in the pan, stir it up again, whisking the whole time for another minute. Then it's time to take it off the heat, add butter, vanilla, mix in, and then I'm going to add the coconut. I'll put this into a cooled pie shell, cover it, and let it cool completely before adding the whipped cream. Once I've got the whipped cream on there, I can add the toasted coconut that we started off with in the very beginning, and this pie is ready to serve.